Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss BB and I'm very glad to have you here watching. First things first, stop what you're doing, pause this video, do what you gotta do to hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel where I will bring you more hair reviews and other content such as, what do I do on my channel? College vlogs, makeup get ready with me, and critical conversations about the black community and the human race as a whole. I don't just solely talk about the black community, but I do talk about the black community a lot, partly because I'm black and we matter and conversations about us matter. Okay, now that that's out the way, we can talk about the hair that is on my head that you really came here for. Okay. I just need to give y'all some background information. I ordered this wig September 28th. Today is December 8th, Friday, December 8th, okay? I wanted a specific length. They didn't even have the length that I wanted, like how long, but so I took the longest one that was there, and it said I have to wait 30 extra days because it had to be customized and it had to be made or whatever, which is understandable. So, I would assume I was going to get it around November. The date that she gave me in the email, thank you for your order. Your custom wig order number is blank, blank, blank. It will be done around November 24th. We will ship your hair out when it's ready. Guys, like I said, today is December 8th. So after I finally emailed, I called them. And I was like, hey, like, I gave them my order number. And I'm like, I've been waiting for my wig. Like, where is it? Finally, the lady that I speak to tells me that, she just takes my order number down. She's like, she'll get back to me with it, etc., etc. I get an email the next day saying, how are you? I've been in contact with our factory about your order. You ordered 24 inches, but we make a 22 inches wig for you. Is that okay? Sorry for the inconvenience. We could refund the price. We could refund the price difference for you. We could. Sis, you're gonna refund me the price difference, period. So I responded like, hi, I waited a month for my wig, which is way more than a month. I waited over a month for my wig, and therefore I expected to have exactly what I ordered, because if I paid extra to wait a month, like after like more than a month, you should have the length that I want. And I was like, nonetheless, please refund the price difference to my account and send the wig as soon as possible. Thank you. So she said, she told me what the price difference would be and that I should check my account in 2 days, which was true. I got the price difference in my account, so you know. I mean, a girl was broke anyway, so that extra little amount of cash is good in my account. But I wanted what I wanted, like, I wanted what I wanted, like. Anyway, after all of this wig better be bomb, because if it's trash, if they gave me a bad batch, I'm really gonna be tight. I'm like really going to be upset, because I did not wait all this time for you to give me a bad wig. So finally, that's all the background information. Without further ado, let's unbox this wig. WowAfrican Professional Hair Beauty Plaza. Come for this one. I'm opening it. The wig itself, right? That's what y'all been waiting for. I'm excited, y'all. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Oops. Dang, this is 180% density. And me gusta mucho. Okay, let me run my hands through it. See if I get some shedding. I got like a couple pieces, strands of hair. It's not that much. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Let me find it, girl. Okay, let's look at the inside. Let's see. Has a wig comb in the back, 2 in the front, like typical. Damn, y'all, I'm excited. Right, well, as of right now, I am satisfied. But you know, hair always looks good after you take it out the box. So we'll see how I really feel about it. My problem with a lot of these hair reviews is that they take out the wig or they take out the weave, put it on a wig, whatever they do with it, put it on their head, and then they be like, oh my god, this hair is great, you gotta go buy it. Sis, but you only had it for a week. This wig that's on my head, hopefully it don't come off, I paid for with my own money, y'all. Therefore, this is going to be the maybe one of the most honest hair reviews on YouTube. Like, I'm just saying, y'all. I was really like, yo, let Wow African send me some bad hair. I'm going to tear them up. I'm gonna tear them up. Like, I know what I want to know when I just watch hair reviews, so I'm just gonna show y'all. This is the lace. I have a brown wig cap underneath this wig, so you can kind of see it through. So I feel like it looks really okay to me. It looks decent enough that I do not need to put concealer on, so I don't have any concealer. It blends in pretty well except for like this line of demarcation, but that's because my wig is not properly glued down because all of my hair products are at Boston College and I'm home on break, hence the background. Does this hair tangle? It barely tangles. Like, I'm gonna run I'm running my fingers through it. It just snags. It doesn't tangle, it just snags every hair and there. You just need to, like, you know, pull your finger through, but like on a regular basis my hand runs smoothly through it. In terms of shedding, it definitely does shed, but it's manageable. Honestly, it shedded more in the beginning, which I think is because I plucked the part. Why do people apologize for their bra straps showing? Like, I'm not going to apologize about my bra straps showing. I'm wearing a bra, okay? Because if I wasn't wearing a bra, then that would be a problem. But like, anyway, I hate society. Anyway, I actually wore this wig. I didn't just wear it for a week. I didn't like take it off every single day. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this hair an 8. I'm gonna give this hair an 8. Thank you for watching. My name is Ms. BB, here to encourage you to think critically and express creatively.